Alright, so the 2023 KTM 890 Adventure R, the new factory graphics are in the plastics, so this should be easy to put the new graphics on. There's a bit of a before idea. Okay, so these graphics came from Pro Works, or Pro Moto Works I believe it is, and looks like they are out of Sweden. So they come in this case, and I'm going to dig into here, kind of get a bit of a layout on what needs to go where, and let you know a bit about the quality of the vinyl. So the vinyl's not as thick as my local guy here, but feels very good quality. I don't know if you can see it, but I went with this honeycomb in the blue. And they come in these pretty cool sheets. So that looks like a fender sheet. This looks like front fairing on one side, front fairing on the other side, and so on and so forth. Anyway, I am going to go with the wet method. A little bit of soapy water, spray it on, and then use my heat gun to mold it. I'll get started. Yeah, sprayed with soapy water, so you can see it's still not clinging yet, but it allows me to get it perfectly in position where I want it. And now I will heat gun to it and kind of cook that soapy water out from under there, and it'll start sticking. You can also use the heat gun to manipulate any corners and grooves. I won't lay that edge down yet until I get the other part of it where I want it. So there we go, a bunch of empty sheets. It did come with the guide, thankfully. Tells you where everything goes, and there she is, looking good. Gotta put the windshield back on, but other than that, a little more heat gun, get some bubbles out, and good to go.
I can get you through this when it hurts.